Alright, I'm gonna give this a shot for the spackling for these bases, these heavy lipped. So see how they're all heavy lipped inside there? And I want to use a spackle in there to put an insert there. I know you could buy inserts for these bases and all, but try this, see if this do a homemade thing here. With spackling I can make it into like a desert base or forest, whatever and stuff, but never done this before. I remember Mini Girl on here a long time ago. She had a couple videos about this, so there's tons of how-tos on using spackling on top of a base, but I want to use it to insert, as a filler, and then go from there. So yeah, I don't really like these. These come with some of the box miniatures I get, and not much of a fan with these. So just my personal preference. So I'm gonna give it a shot with this spackling from DAP, spackling paste. So see what happens. Here's my first attempt at it. Feels in good, just like like you have a crack in or hole in the drywall and all that. I couldn't find my spackling knife or whatever, so I used this little. It's actually like an old dog nail file. Works the same because I could just take it and then just right off it. But there's a texture I got right there, so now I'm just going to let it dry. It's supposedly not going to shrink, but we'll see what happens. So we'll go from there. So this will be interesting, man, if this works. And man, I could save some time here instead of money and not buy those inserts and just do this stuff. It'd be great. I was actually thinking about using some wood scenic flowers and stuff and put them in there too already, so it'll dry and bond with it. So thinking about doing something like that too. But pretty cool so far. I like you. So see what happens.
But wait, there's more.
Alrighty, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's there? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think about 39, 40 bases there. Those all had the deep lips in them. The deep lips. So I got ahead and filled them up with that DAP spackle. And this may be a worthless cause. I don't know. We'll find out. I'm a rookie at this stuff, so. There we go. Just let them sit there and dry and come back and give them a color to them and see what they look like. Well, I think it turned out okay. I noticed on the bigger ones, I think those are the 30 or 40 mil. These guys. That's the 30 mil. There's the 40 mil. There's a crack in there, but I just thought about, well, shoot, where the crack is, I could use the, oh crap, I forgot the name of the water. Material to make the little water, whatever. So I painted green and stuff, and it's drying right now, and this paint's drying on this one. But just using a couple different colors there, I'm kind of happy with them. So I guess that'll work. So it saved me a little bit of money buying those base inserts. Now I just gotta paint all of those. So anyways, that's my little I don't know what you call it. I don't really do how-tos or whatever, so I don't think I ever did a how-to. So, but there's a how-to right there. Take some spackle, cover up these dip. If you don't like the big old deep lips on these things on the bases, and there you go. There's one way to do it. I'm sure there's a bajillion other ways to do it. So, alrighty. Well, thanks for your time, and if you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. If this is the first time you see my channel or whatever, I have more content on the way. I pretty much do everything. Model kits and miniatures. I paint and all that stuff. So, alright, you guys take care and have a great week. Bye-bye.